Sellotaping away on the template. This is an all-A system, skin coloured at the front for Mo. Has the attachment with the tape. What tape's that on there, Mo?
That is lace tape.
Lace tape around the sides, and we're going to do the adhesive at the front.
0.5 would look really good on mine.
I agree, yeah. 0.5 will look great. This is how I cut it normally.
Or 0.5?
Yeah, 0.5.
Yeah, alright, cool.
Collins applied Perfect Super Hold, it's called, isn't it?
Yeah.
Perfect Super Hold. Should probably get away with one coat, maybe two, or just one.
Would normally do 2 coats.
Yeah, see how it absorbs into the skin. Yeah, we can gauge about adhesives onto people's skin, how it disappears. Mo's 3 years in hair systems, aren't you, Mo?
I am 3 years in hair system. I wish I had it 10 years ago, actually.
Yeah, do you know what? I get asked a few questions. A lot of people don't believe me about how long your systems have lasted you.
The first system lasted for nearly a year and a half.
Yeah?
Yeah, seriously.
Yes, I still have it.
And a few people query, say, oh, you're telling fibs, but I haven't. It's just that I came every week to him. Yeah, sorry, Colin.
Yeah, I've got many clients that do manage to get a year at least.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It all comes down to the skin oils, I guess, and less residue on the hair system.
And how you look after it, how often you clean it, and follow the hair for all the instruction to clean the system. And
like I said many times, I popped up, but when I was first, is the right word, courting Julie.
Yeah.
We used to go over to Cardiff every week, and I used to pop in and see you for an hour, didn't I? Just teach you each week.
He showed me exactly how to look after the hair system. That worked.
Yeah.
My first.
Well, you said to me, didn't you? You said, look, I'm on a budget. I need to make this last as long as possible.
100%.
So that's Mo listened, and it has. I reckon you still sleep upright though, not move at night. Yeah, they're perfect.
Yeah. That's amazing.
Look at me, Mo. Spin round in the chair if you could. You've still got a bit to go, haven't you?
Yeah.
Keep going, mate. That's it. Stop there. That's it. A bit further. Give me a smile. Come on. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe below. And have a good look round our website at hairforall.com.